Hello everyone, I'm Sona Bhatt, your interview and career coach, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to talk about something that I see almost every single day. And honestly, it doesn't matter whether you are a student, a manager, a career changer, or even a senior executive. The problem is the same. Most people can't see their own value. Let me explain what I mean. Imagine you stand in front of a mirror every single day. You see yourself so often that you stop noticing small changes. Maybe you have become healthier. Maybe you have become stronger. Or maybe you have become more confident. But because you see yourself every single day, those changes become invisible. Now imagine a friend who hasn't seen you in 2 years. The first thing they will say is, "Wow, you have changed." Then notice immediately what you couldn't see. And your career works exactly the same way. Because you have lived your own professional journey every day, you often miss the things that make you valuable. And that's why so many talented people struggle when it's time to write a resume, update LinkedIn profile, or prepare for interviews. People often tell me, "Sona, I don't know what to write. I have been just doing my work. I don't think I have done anything special. It's just the normal task I'm doing." And every single time I hear that, I already know what's happening. They are looking at their experience from very close. It's like standing 1 inch away from a painting. You can see the colors, but you can't see the picture. See, one of the biggest misconceptions people have is this. They think writing a resume is the hardest part. Trust me, it's not. Typing word is easy. The hard part is figuring out which experience actually matter, which accomplishments deserve attention, which strength differentiates you from hundreds of other candidates. That's where most people get stuck. Now let me give you an example. Suppose someone worked as a customer service representative. They might describe their work as, "I answer customer calls and resolve issues." Sounds pretty ordinary, right? Because most of the people say this only. But when I dig deeper, I often discover something completely different. See, maybe they handled angry customers. Maybe they resolved escalations. Maybe they trained new employees. Or maybe they improved customer satisfaction scores. Or maybe they are the person management trusted during difficult time. Have you noticed now we are not only talking about customer service, we are talking about communication, conflict resolution, leadership, problem solving, training, stakeholder management. The value was always there. They just couldn't see it. And this is especially important for career changers. See, many people think I don't have direct experience, but very often they have transferable skills. I have seen this so many times. They just don't know how to identify it. See, a teacher moving into corporate training, a military professional moving into operations, a sales professional moving into account management, or a project coordinator moving into project management. Skills always exist. The challenge is to recognize them. And this is one reason why I believe many people are disappointed when they rely entirely on templates or AI tools. See, don't get me wrong. AI is very helpful tool. It can organize information, it can improve wording, it can make your resume sound more professional. But there is one thing it cannot do. It cannot discover strength that you haven't identified. Think about it. If you put incomplete information into a system, definitely for sure you will get incomplete results back. Here it is like same. Like if you ask Google to give direction, but you are not providing them the destination, you will not get the right result, right? This is the same. See, over the years, I have worked with professionals who had incredible achievements hidden inside their careers. People who have saved companies money, led major projects, built teams, improved processes, increased revenue, created systems, mentored so many employees. But when they first came to me, they described themselves using phrases like, "I just do my job." I don't have many accomplishments. I don't know what makes me stand out. It's very hard to identify my strength. And every single time, once we started asking the right questions, the real stories started appearing. And this is like every time, every single time this is happening. And this is why self discovery is one of the most important part of career growth. Before you worry about writing a better resume, understand yourself better. Before you worry about your LinkedIn profile, understand your value. And even before you worry about interview answers, understand what you actually bring to the table. Because when you understand your value, everything becomes easier. You will target better opportunities, you will communicate with more confidence, you will write stronger resume, create a better LinkedIn profile, and even you perform better in interviews. Everything, trust me, everything improves. So, as your coach, I want you to try a very simple exercise. Please take out your notebook and answer these questions. What problems do people usually come to me for? What am I naturally good at? What achievements am I most proud of? What task do I perform better than most people around me? What impact I have created for customers, teams, or organizations? Now you have your homework. Don't rush these answers. Spend time thinking. You might be surprised by what you discover about yourself. Because the truth is, most people are walking around with far more value than they realize. The problem is not lack of experience. The problem is lack of awareness of that particular experience. And once you start seeing your own value clearly, the other people can start seeing it too. So if there's one thing I want you to remember from today's video, it's this. Don't focus only on telling your story. First, take time to understand your story because you cannot communicate value that you haven't recognized yet. Know your value, tell your story, and reach your goals. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments what is one skill or strength that you think you have been underestimating in your career. I would love to read your answers. And if this video helped you to see your career differently, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs this reminder. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning, keep growing. I'm your coach, Sonabhat. Take care. Bye-bye.